Hey guys, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plants, and today I'm going to be planning the week of Monday, February 26th through Sunday, March 4th, also known as my daughter's birthday week. As usual, I am in my Erin Condren hourly planner, and I am going to be using this kit from Glam Planner. It's called Frosted Floral, and I actually picked this up on Black Friday. It's not like super birthday-y, but it does have like a present thing. I'm going to be leaning a little bit more into the floral aspects than the wintry aspects, just because it's really like starting to be more like spring here in Texas. So I am going to try something a little bit different with the bottom washi this week, and I have pulled out some washes of my own, as well as some pretty pink florals and some turquoise and blue as well. So I'm going to pop this open and get started. I'm actually starting with the second half of the week. So I pre-cut the washi in the kit like down a little bit, and I'm going to mix it with some of my own floral washes, which are from Michael's, on both the bottom and the top, and just like so it's like a pop of silver and like it doesn't look like a whole snowflake. It's really quite warm here. I mean, it was almost 80 degrees today, although raining. So I don't really think I am super into the winter. I think this kit is so pretty. I'm really excited. This is my first time using a kit from Glam Planner as well, and I am, it's not like super birthday-y, but I thought it was like pretty and girly and fun, and there was like a little bit of birthday deco, and I can bring in some of my own stuff as well, and I think it'll make a really nice kit for my daughter's birthday week, which her actual birthday is on Saturday, and we are actually having her party on Saturday as well. She is 2 years old, which I can't believe. We figured we'd get the party done right away, because I will also be 36 weeks pregnant on Friday. So yeah, definitely squeezing that in before we got a surprise baby instead of a birthday party. So I'm trying to put the numbers down before I put the date covers on, which I saw on somebody else's Plan With Me channel, but I end up like just going in order. My mind was just wandering, and I totally forgot, hey, this is February. We only have 28 days. And then I had to pull it out of frame to get those stickers off and finish out by putting the actual dates. I can't believe that it's March already. But yeah, so just fixing that out, and then I'm going to put those on and then flip open and repeat this whole thing on the other side. So other than my daughter's birthday party on Saturday, we don't actually really have that much going on this week. I actually hardly have any meetings at work, like the least amount of meetings I've had in a really long time. That class series I was teaching has ended, and I just it was really great, but like I'm happy to be done, and hopefully this week could be a little bit more chill, and I have plenty of time to get everything all set up for her birthday party. It's like amazing. I feel like for little kids' birthday party, we were like, we're going to do something super low key. We're not going to invite a ton of people. I'm going to be super pregnant. Let's just have like a nice low key birthday party. But then you invite like a couple of friends, and then every person ends up being, every kid you want to invite or mom friend you want to invite is like 3 or 4 or more people, just depending on how big the family is, right? And we have like a lot of neighbors that we play with all the time and all of that, and then like before you know it, you've got like 30 people coming over. But anyway, I am really looking forward to that, and it should be super, super fun, and it will still be smaller than last year's first birthday party. So now I am ready to go ahead and work on the sidebar. I am going to use the girl for the thankful thought this week. The quote box said, "Baby, it's cold outside," and it's not, and I don't want it to be. So sticking with the girl. I really just love her anyways, drinking her tea. So earlier this winter, I used the Aspen kit from Cricut Paper Co., which actually had the same art as this, which I did not realize until after I got this kit, but they did such different things that I'm totally fine with the fact that I had 2 kits with the same art, and now I have some leftovers for that kit to mix in. So I grabbed the ombre heart checklist from that kit because I like the format a little bit better than the one in this kit, and as well the glitter headers from there as well. I took a 3 heart checklist from this kit which said to buy, and I put a header over top of it so that it would be a to-do list, and that'll be like my top 3 to-dos for this week. Then I am just using some of the washi from this kit as well. And I am going to do one habit tracker this week, and that's going to be for trying to move a little bit more. This past week wasn't so good for that, so bringing that back in to focus up there. Then I'm going to grab some more of that floral washi and then finish this out with a half box from the Cricut Paper Co kit, since she does the squared off half boxes, and they fit perfectly on the sidebar, and it matched actually the pattern that I was using from the washi from the kit, which is the same pattern that's on the date covers, so using that to round things out for my sidebar. I'm just going to grab a few icons as well, the ombres for my Instagram posts, and the habit tracker is moving every day. Alrighty, so now I'm ready to go day by day. And as I mentioned, this is really not like a busy week for meetings and appointments. I actually don't have anything scheduled on Monday. I may try and go get my nails done. They really badly need it. But I am just going to drop in a big to-do list right on Monday morning. I just have a feeling I will need that. Get organized first thing right away for the week, for the work week and as well for things I need to take care of in the house before the party. So also just going to pop in all of my meal little things and Neps and Nanny's washi. I am using the washi from the kit for this week, and as always I use that to mark how many hours a day my nanny works and how long my daughter naps for. So next up, I have a doctor's appointment Tuesday morning. I am on to weekly appointments at this point, so stay tuned for a doctor's appointment every single week in my plan with me is coming over the next month or so. Then Wednesday morning, as usual, we have story time at the library, and I will be using a pattern half box for that and for my daughter's activities this week, although we have a pretty light schedule. And then on Wednesday afternoon, I do have some little meetings, so I'm going to use a heart checklist from the kit, and I actually just cut down one of those like banner heart checklists instead of using one of the full ones in this kit. So I do think the heart checklists, when they're done this style, are really pretty, but I don't find them as flexible as the ombre heart checklist, so I end up using them a lot less and using these banner ones a bit more when a kit comes like that. I just like that the ombres, you can just cut off as many check boxes as you need, and you're not like messing anything up in the way it looks, whereas these are like more like, I feel like you have to use the full box of them, so I end up using them a little bit less. So then Wednesday afternoon, I have a chiropractor appointment. Have been going every week since my back has been a bit sore as we're getting towards the end of this pregnancy. And then after that, I actually have another work meeting, which is unfortunate, but it is the only time I could fit it in. So I will have to run back over from the chiropractor, which is fortunately really close by, and then I can do my last work call of the day. So now I am just going to grab my characters, icons, etc. for this side of the week. I have a little Once More with Love munchkin for library time. I'm going to mix things up and use one of my new scribblers for my doctor's appointment, and I have another munchkin for my chiropractor. So flipping things over for the second half of the week. So I'm just going to throw down all my meal little things, skipping Saturday because of the party, and actually all of the ones in this kit were in the same color, which is interesting. I don't think I've seen that before. And then as well, just putting down the rest of my Naps and Nanny washi for the week, and I'm going to use like a super skinny piece on the weekend. Obviously no nanny on the weekend to mark. Then, as usual, we have swim class Thursday morning, so putting down another pattern half box for that. Friday, we will be skipping library time. I actually asked the nanny to come, and I am going to get a haircut, which I desperately need, but also then my hair will be all nice and blown out for my daughter's birthday party, which is great. One of our neighbors is actually a photographer, and she's going to bring her camera so we can get some family pictures as well. Then on Friday, I'm adding in that appointment label to mark the cleaning people are coming on Friday, and they're actually new cleaning people, which is really exciting. I'm very happy about that. So Thursday afternoon, I do have a couple of little meetings. So I grabbed a Today header, but then I'm actually going to just grab a full box heart checklist and put that there. I figure everything else that's not like work related, I can just use the rest of the hearts to put together some party to-dos ahead of the weekend as well. Then on Friday, the only other thing that I need to do is mark down my weeks. I will be 36 weeks on Friday, which I can't believe. So I am just using a half box and some of the washi and then the 36 week sticker, which I made myself. Okay, and then on to Saturday, which we have a ton to put down. I'm actually probably going to need like the whole thing. And it is not only my daughter's birthday, which I will mark down with a half box, but it's also my mom's birthday. It's so weird. They do share a birthday. It's complete coincidence. My daughter was actually exactly 2 weeks early and just happened to be born on my mom's birthday, which I think is really cool. So I want to put down a separate thing to mark down that it's my mom's birthday, and then as well giving myself a little last minute to-do list for anything that needs to get done, in the morning / while my daughter's napping ahead of the party, because her party is going to be in the afternoon. And that is the little 3-heart checklist that came with the kit. I think it said to clean, so I just slapped a different header on top of that to make use of that. I don't need really a cleaning list, obviously, although actually probably before a party it will be to clean. So then grabbing another half box to write down that it's party time, and then using that present full box to mark down the rest of the time and just fill that out. And it's a really cute full box. So then just so that since there is just like a teensy bit of white space left in the bottom and in the top, I'm actually just going to drop some washi in there because otherwise it's just going to drive me crazy since everything looks so full other than that. And then that day is like completely filled out in advance, which is really not usual for me, but not surprising given what's going on that day. Then Sunday, we don't have any plans. I am sure it will be a super chill day after Saturday, and I am just going to put in this little full box as well from the kit. And since there is no room on Saturday, I'm going to put my weekend banner in the bottom washi, but I actually think it looks really cute there anyways, so I do really like how that looks. So then going back in with my icons and characters, I've got some Scribble Prints Co. balloons and a scribbler as well for the birthdays, and then a swim dino. Actually, this side is all Scribble Prints Co. And a little celebration Chloe for the birthday itself. So I don't have any haircut stickers, which I totally don't need considering how often I get my haircut, but I have these Hello Petite paper kind of spa day girls, so I'm just using that, and then that vacuum is actually left over from a Simply Ginger Co kit, and that little 2 crown I made myself with TWG clip art, and likewise these little stars that I'm sticking in the 36 weeks box as well. So just flipping that on opened and taking a last look, but I do believe that is everything all pre-planned, so I am going to turn off the camera and get this all filled out, and I will be right back. Okay, so that is everything all filled out. I decided to go a little bit fancy this week, and I didn't use any black pen, which I usually use all black pen for the most part. So this is all of this writing is on the stickers, and they are glossy stickers. So I did use Sharpie Ultra Fines, and I have a bunch of colors in them. So I may try and keep this up during the week and actually use color writing in my planner as well, which I honestly haven't done in ages. So we'll see how that goes, or if I change my mind and stick with my usual Faber-Castell Pit Artist pens, which I only have in black. But I do have like a ton of gel pens and flares that I could try and mix in instead. Pretty much everything is from the kit except for the other washi that I use to cut in, which is from Michaels, and the character stickers, etc. So the dinos and the scribblers are from Scribble Prints Co. The munchkins are Once More with Love. The balloons are also Scribble Prints Co. The little spa girl is from Hello Petite Paper. The vacuum is leftovers from Simply Ginger Co. kit. And the this little 36 weeks I made myself using my silhouette and the little stars, and this are from TWG Designs Clip Art, and I cut those myself on my silhouette as well. The word of the week is celebrate. I'm obviously super excited for my daughter's 2nd birthday and the party, and I think that is everything. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you subscribed, and check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans to see how this comes together and see if I stick with my colorful pens this week. Bye!